Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. How long has it been since I've done one of these wacky intros? Shut up, Grandpa. I thought you were dead. It's been like how long? 3 months since we've been to Pittsworth. But hey, I've got a cowboy hat on. We're gonna go cahootin'. No, that's wrong. We're gonna go skadoodle over to a town now. Woo! Cow gang, whoa, whoa, cow gang, moo. G'day everybody and welcome to the town of Millmerran. We're about an hour away from the city of Toowoomba and we're still in the Toowoomba region. Right behind me is the nice big Millmerran entrance, which is a snake made out of a mosaic. Right next to it, we have a nice big Southern Cross windmill. These are the types of windmills you'll see down in this area of the world, like near at the Cobb & Cove. Let's go check out the rest of the town, gamers. Hey, I'm standing at the Back Creek Park, and currently I'm standing on some very beautiful indigenous mosaic art. So here we've got the goanna. I'm currently standing on the kangaroo, and then just to my right, your left, the echidna. And we've got some 2 seats here. We've got some fish and some, I'm presuming that's a turtle. And then we've got some more turtles there with, I'm presuming, some seaweed. And we're just gonna take you along the back there to the actual creek and show you what it's like. Yo, this is the creek and look at how shiny it is. We're gonna go take a dip because it's pretty deep. Behind me is a big water tank with a mural of the colonial times of Millmerran. And over there, there's a little park. You know how we are, we love parks. So let's go check it out. Oh, heart check? Yo, I think I need a heart check after working out on all that, bro. Catholic church is right behind me. And hey, you know what they say? Venite adermis. That is cursed. Just saying. We're gonna go take a walk. Right behind me is the Millmerran Memorial Bowls Club. You can come here and play some bowls. It is, you know, give it a try and everybody's welcome. And that's exactly the spirit that this part of the world has. And just over here we have St. Peter's Anglican Church. I think it's actually one of the oldest churches I've ever seen. Maybe I've seen an older one, but I don't know. And then just over there we have the Millmerran Community and something, I think it says Recreational Center. So that's just a nice building. They have shows on there. It's pretty cool. It's really windy right now, so you might not be able to hear me, but we're gonna go further down into the town. See you then. Yo, that's a really big cello. Hey everybody, I'm out here in a gazebo right now. And right next to me is a very nice Anzac Memorial. Got to pay respects to the fallen diggers. Then over here we have a nice park, some public amenities, and further down there is the whole town. So let's keep going, let's check out this beautiful town. Yo, do you like reading? Because I don't, but hey, come over to the library in Millmerran. We're out here in Donville Place, which is actually the old name of Millmerran. Back in 1894, it was changed to Millmerran. So we're out here at the town of Millmerran map, and it shows you all of where everything is. We're situated right here in the center of town. Let's go check out this town. We've got an IGA just across the road from us. And let's see if Big Boss is there. If you're waiting for your mum to come out of the local IGA, just play some noughts and crosses by yourself. Oh no! It messed up. We are on the main street. Inglewood's that way. Cecil Plains and Toowoomba is back that way. And this is just basically the main street. They've got your Heritage, your BP. We've got some more like car workshop places. Down there, we've got like your bakery and coffee shops. Your local IGA, like we've stated like 5 times now. And then just some more miscellaneous shops that you can get some clothes at, some winter boots, and maybe some nice little warm snuggy jackets. And yeah, we're gonna head down there and show you what we've got.
Whoa, is this place Big W at Dolby or is this Mitre 10? Because they look exactly the same. But right now we're in the center of Millmerran. We've got a coffee shop next door. We've got further things further down. We've got a BP right across the road, Bottle Mart. We've got everything. Let's just come for a walk with me, gamers, and let's check out what we've got.
Yo, bed and breakfast. Whoa, they're even pet friendly. Yo, look, I'm TJ. That's T-Bone, my brother. He's got all the Millmerran meats.
We're out here at the Millmerran Food Works. Just inside, me and Ryan found Big Boss Mush Sticks. The best of the best.
Go to the Millmerran IGA. Go to the food place. Because they got the Big Boss. Now that is a lot of hot men.
Hey, that's a hot man. Let's go check out the dam.
I'm out here in the Millmerran, what do you say, creek, and there's no edge to this. So it's pretty dangerous, but the little bridge that we're currently walking on is lopsided, and it looked really scary, but now it's actually a lot more sturdier than you think. It may look a little bit rusted, but hey, look at how deep it is down there. Like, look at that. Look at how deep it is. This isn't really PogChamp.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're right here at the Millmerran Skate Park. Look around. Lots to explore and more at the Millmerran Skate Park. Hey everybody, I'd like to thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel because we love our subscribers and we were always looking for more people to join our journey from all across Queensland, our favorite state in the world. This is our state, this is our country. We love it here in Millmerran and we would love it so much if you smash subscribe on this video, smash the like button too, and comment more places down below. We love to explore, we love to travel, it is our passion. We love to make films too, and we also love comedy. So you guys know, you guys are the best. Subscribe to this channel, leave a like, comment down below, and yeah, I'm gonna pass it to Lord Zatt to give you some final information.
Yeah, so just like what Xander Pandre said, leave a like, comment, subscribe, make sure to go to both of ours. We basically just do anything pretty much. Well, I'm a bit of a variety channel. He's doing a bit of variety as well. We're just Variety Town. Flavor Town, that is. Alrighty, make sure you stay safe and make sure you stay out of this rain. Don't do what we do.